My, how video quality has improved since 2006 when I took this video. Got new pipes for my Suzuki Intruder, and you can see how childish we were even then. Nothing's changed.
Filming?
Well, I've got nothing on the big screen.
It's sort of,
Yeah, oh yeah, it's got record everything.
Here we go then.
That's better, isn't it?
What do you reckon?
This was a fantastic bike. Went to the south of France on it, but should really never have sold the Fazer 1000. That was an amazing bike. I'd love one today if I could find one with low enough mileage.